in time since we've done one of these videos. How have you all been? Graham? Why are you doing that? Doing what? That. What that? Oh. Nah. Carry on. Yeah. Rosie, what are you doing? Not doing anything. What are you on about? You just do the film. What are you? What are you on about? I don't know. Just talk. I can't. You're embarrassing yourself. I'm really hearing things. Anyway. Yeah, it's been about a month since the last we uploaded Jason. I don't know if you I swear you're doing something, Graham. Are you farting? Or something? Just don't talk to me. Just do the film. I'm getting really depressed now. You think I fart in front of the camera? Do you really think I would do that? Yeah. Sorry to do the film, honestly. But anyway, yeah, we just like to say that we are alive. What are you doing? There's a video. Straight here. Yeah, so we're not dead, we're still alive, so we're going to make loads more videos. Jason's coming up in 2 weeks' time on the 20th, I think that's Tuesday. Anyway, Jason's going up for the 20th, and he's staying the night, so I'm like, let's do videos then! But for the meantime, this is going to be our little promotion thing. And